Nurses are in demand all over Canada. The Canadian Nurses Association estimated that a staggering of 60,000 nurses will be needed this year to keep up with the demand. Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a travel nurse. When a facility is facing a shortage of nurses and healthcare aides, they usually call staffing agencies to temporarily take the position and fill the shortage. It means the needs are exploding right now. This is the right time to start your own healthcare business. Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process. I'll show you step by step how to fulfill the requirements for starting your own staffing business. If you follow this roadmap, I'm sure you can be on your way to generate an income through healthcare staffing. Reserving your company name is so important. This will establish your intent to use it and prevent others from claiming it. Every province has its own government agencies through which you can reserve your business name. In Manitoba, we call it the company's office. Normally, the government office will handle this process with the same office you registered your business name. In this part, you may need to do your due diligence, know the legal implications and tax advantages of each approach, and how they might work for your business. You may also want to get some advice from a business accountant or a lawyer. Once this process is done, your business is now registered. You're going to file your company tax at the end of the year. So your next step is to contact Canada Revenue Agency to apply for your company's GST and HST accounts. Make an appointment with one of your bank's business advisor to help you get things set up. Make sure the logo looks professional. That will create a strong and unique impression that will appeal to your customers. One of the best ways to do this at affordable price is to hire a freelancer. Here are some websites where you can find some freelancers who can help you not only make your logo but also create your website. Human resources will be asking for different things, but here are the common requirements they will ask you to provide. One is the company website. Two is the company insurance, which is the professional liability insurance. Three is the website content, which is the mission and vision, the company background, and the service you provide. Number four is what makes your company unique. Once you've completed their requirements, you will be awarded with a contract. And that's it. You're ready to go. So let's quickly summarize the steps to create your own staffing agency. Number one, reserve your company name. Number two, decide what kind of legal entity works best for you. Number three, register your company with a CRA. Number four, open a business bank account. Number five, create your own logo company. Number six, create a website. And number seven, apply for a contract. I hope you enjoy my video. You can always ask questions and suggestion topics for future video in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next time.